Its unique velvety foliage makes a panda plant popular, decorative, ornamental, and is perfect for living room, offices, and landscapes. Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to talk about grow and care of Kalanchoe Tomentosa. This plant is popularly known as a panda plant and is a slow growing perennial succulent. When you touch this plant, you will get the feeling like cat furs. If you see its edge is dark chocolate color out here. This velvety green leaves covered with white silvery hairs and edged in dark chocolate makes this succulent a unique one. Panda plant loves the sun, so keep this plant where it gets at least 6 hours of bright sunlight. It cannot tolerate the scorching heat of afternoon. During hot summer, place this plant in a shade where it gets indirect light. If you are growing panda plant indoor, keep it in a sunny location. Succulents are drought tolerant, so if you forget to water this plant for few days, it won't mind. Water this plant when the potting mixture completely dries up. It is better to water from the bottom. If you are watering from the top, make sure that you don't pour any water on its leaf. If any water falls on the leaves, you need to wipe off that water with a soft cloth or a paper. Do not mist the plant because this hair-like structure absorbs the water and it does not dry, resulting into rotting of plants. Its leaf and stem contains water, so do not overwater this plant. It's better to underwater than to overwater the plant. Overwatering causes the root rot. Use well draining potting soil. If you see here, I have used sandy soil mixture. I've used 60% of sand and I've used some perlite also, and I have used 40% of compost. You can also mix 1 part of sand, 1 part of compost and 1 part of perlite. Propagation can be done by leaf or stem cutting. Take at least 3 inches of stem, keep it in a dry place so that callus is formed, and place the stem in well draining potting mix. You can keep it indoor in south facing window where it gets bright indirect light unless it doesn't produces root. Once it produces roots, you can treat it as a mature plant. If you want to do the propagation from leaf, so you can cut the leaf so like this and keep it in a dry for some days so that callus is formed. Once the callus is formed, you can place this in sandy soil or well draining potting mixture. This plant produces small tubular safe flower in its natural habitat. Indoor, it hardly produces any flower. This plant is not a heavy feeder. You can use dilute liquid fertilizer once in a month. So far, I have not seen attack of any pest in this plant. Sometimes it's get attacked by mealybugs. You can remove them by a damp cloth. If it is worse, then you can spray neem oil. But avoid spraying anything on this plant. Panda plant is very attractive, unique and a low maintenance house plant. It is the best indoor plant I can say. You just need to water it minimum and avoid extreme cold or extreme hot. This is easy to care plant and best for the beginners. This is it for today, friends. Take care of yourself. Keep gardening. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's our garden.